It's looking, I look bald right here. I gotta put some baby hairs, cause I mean in person, but on camera be looking bald. But honestly, when my hair's curled, it's gonna look like this. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog. Is he not moving? I can't even tell. But what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I'm working on my birthday glow up. Literally, Corona, you guys, Corona just said forget Courtney's birthday, y'all. I had this whole plan of what I wanted to do for my birthday, which was to have like a little mini staycation. But that fell through because the hotel is still closed because of COVID.
All right. I feel wonderful. I feel fine. You will not get one tear out of me tonight. I can't believe.
So that's gone. So now I'm just doing like a birthday dinner with my family, which I was gonna do anyway. It's just like, it's really just like, ugh, I'm so annoyed. But anyway, right now I need to go to the beauty supply store to go get some oil-free makeup. I'm literally installing my own birthday wig. I always do, period. But I'm gonna be using an adhesive this time. I picked up Erica J's adhesive, so I'm gonna be doing a whole video on that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I want you guys to see how I go from this. This isn't even that bad, to be honest. This is my Fenty Skin Glow, you guys. Here, I just came from the grocery store. Not the grocery store, ciao. I just came from the beauty supply store. I didn't want to vlog in there because I'm just not comfortable with vlogging, so I did not vlog in there. My Erica J glue just came actually, so I should show you guys all the products. But yeah, right now I'm just about to go meet up with my mom. We'll actually just go pick her up because we're about to go to get dinner. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in quality, but I'm actually using a new camera, so let me know if you guys like it. But really quickly, I wanted to show you guys what I got while I'm waiting for I got these. They're mink lashes. They was $10. Dang, child, I didn't know that. But this is not what I came for, so yeah. But they just look so freaking natural and pretty. How cute. I got this camera because look how fast it freaking focused on things. Using this camera and this lighting makes me feel like I need to go wipe my teeth, which I probably need to go do. So I'm actually gonna do that part of my glow up. So if you see me in the next clip and I'm looking like Gucci Mane, then mind your business. Okay, and the next thing I got was this Ruby Kisses mineral powder. It's fragrance free, hyperallergenic. I believe this is the same thing that Erica J uses, but it's just no oil in it. So I got those things. But yeah, aren't these lashes so cute though? I'm gonna show you guys again because they just look so freaking cute to me. Like, they're just so natural looking. You guys probably like, what the heck? But they're so natural that I love them. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. Let me know how you guys like this quality. So you guys, I'm back at home. This is how I be looking, you guys.
I'm actually gonna say what everyone else is thinking because it's the truth.
A mess. So my hair is growing. I don't know if I told you guys, but I cut my hair a year ago and now it's this long. So yeah, I've been putting it in braids or doing crochet styles. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys when I'm like doing the wig and everything. Actually, I can show you guys the wig right now. And this is the wig straight out of the freaking package. It is a 20-inch kinky straight wig. But I'm not gonna wear it straight, honestly, you guys. Ooh. I could probably like buy a flat iron. I probably should anyway. What I'm looking to do for my birthday right now is flexi rod it. But yeah, you guys, this is how it looks. The lace is just already like really impeccable. But yeah, so we guys transform from this to freaking Slade, okay? And this is how the hair is looking, you guys. I don't know. I feel like my hairline is so freaking hard to master, because I feel like what do I feel like? Come on, Courtney, get it out. Like, because of my widow's peak and just like the way my hairline is set up, like I feel like I'll never really be happy with a frontal type of application. So once I get my other wig that's coming hopefully on Monday, the wig company said it's coming on Monday, but it's not. Like, it still hasn't told me that it's shipped yet. But this is how like you guys see. I'm gonna try to do some baby hairs to like cover up this lace, but it's just like, what? Like, what do these people be doing that I'm not doing? Like, I follow everything Erica J said, but I think I'm gonna call it a night today, y'all. And go to bed and come back with fresh eyes tomorrow and be like, okay, what do I need to do? Like I said, I don't know if y'all be able to see it on camera, but in person you could definitely see the lace. I put this on there, like, I could be candid with y'all. Like, this part of the wig is like not even laying down. This side is better. Like, this side is actually pretty good, if you guys can see, but it's just like the coloring of the lace, I don't know. I do not know. But yeah. So honestly though, like, to be honest, all I really needed to do is like be like this, and it looks pretty good like that. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the cast. And when I do my makeup, maybe it will come all together, and when I like curl it tomorrow, it will look good. But I'm getting nervous. See, I'm about to go to sleep, you guys, because I'm sleepy, and I just know if I wake up tomorrow and just like do my curls, put some makeup on, I might feel better about the hair. Hey guys, it's the next day. And I think I was overreacting. Like, I feel like it looks fine. But like, definitely yesterday it was looking great. It was looking great. But I feel like overnight when it just like melted, because you guys want to know what? Like, she, on the freaking like video, she was like, you need to sit under the dryer, and I did not sit under the dryer. So just letting it sit overnight really helps. And I feel like the color is not bad. But you guys let me know in the comments. It's looking, I look bald right here. I gotta put some baby hairs, cause I mean in person, but on camera be looking bald. But honestly, when my hair's curled, it's gonna look like this. I am curling my hair. Got me a little green smoothie now. Yeah, I'm about to just pin curl these like this. Finish my hair, and I'll check in with you guys later. It is now 10 o'clock, so I don't think I'm gonna be done my hair till like 12. So last time I checked in, I had my hair like all curled up, and you guys, I don't know if it's like this hair just doesn't, I don't know if this hair just doesn't hold a curl or what, but I'm gonna try Flexi Rods probably tonight. Good thing I tried this like 3 days before my birthday, because if I tried to curl my hair like the day of and then I was left with this, honey, I'd be so upset. But I think I'm gonna try Flexi Rods. If that doesn't work, then we're just gonna flat iron it, because it's really pretty hair. I just don't think it holds a curl, which is a bummer, because this hair was a lot of money. But anyway, I'll check in with you guys later. I'm about to go make some food, because the washer just stopped, so I'm about to like switch it. But before the dryer is very loud, I want to do a quick unboxing. I purchased from Sephora, and I got a few little things. The first thing that I've been kind of getting into recently is fragrances. I picked up another Kilian perfume, but this one is, I heard about this from ALLYIAHSFACE. And it's called the Princess perfume. I smelled it last night, because you guys know when you get something, you just cannot wait. And you guys, I don't know if any of you all had the Taylor Swift perfume in the scent Wonderland, but it smells exactly like that. And I had that when I was growing up. I was never a Swiftie, but the perfume just smells so freaking good, and I guess it stopped. So I'm glad I got this in the trio size. I actually also picked up the Love Don't Be Shy Kilian perfume. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, but I'm definitely going to pick up a full version of this because the Love Don't Be Shy is a little more grown. This is like cute, fun, sweet, and that's the kind of perfumes I like right now. I feel like this is going to be like my signature or like my daily perfume. I really like the way this smells. It smells like ALLYIAHSFACE. She referred to this as like marshmallowy, but I do not get that. I just get like really sweet. I don't know what to compare it to, but it smells really good. The next thing that I got was this Laneige, I think is how you say it, lip sleeping mask in the scent Gummy Bear. This, I don't know how much it was. I think it was like 22. And I just picked it up because it said it was limited edition, and Gummy Bear just smells so, it sounds like it'll smell so good. I'm not a huge fan of this smell. It smells like grape, like, you know, when stuff is just, when candy is grape flavored, it smells like that. But what I do like about this is that it is a more expensive lip mask, and it came with like a little applicator. I also got the Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Matte, the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. I want to do a review on this product. I decided to use this, you guys. I feel like it's going to be a game changer in my brow routine. I'm about to go put my clothes in the dryer. Good morning. And don't mind my hair, like it's very big. I was going to flat iron it, but my flat iron isn't coming today, even though I paid for expedited shipping. It was supposed to come today, but it's coming tomorrow. But let's go to Tropical Smoothie, and then Target, and then a whole bunch of stuff. But let's go. TT, this is my song. Baby girl, you know me. Drake don't copyright me. I'm gonna turn it off right now. Bye.